Hi guys, welcome to my first YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe and watch more videos and support my channel. My first video, how to change car color in Photoshop. First step, open the Photoshop. If the Layers panel is not already open, you can open it by open the File menu, then select Place Embedded or Place the Photo, and then add the photo. Use the Quick Selection tool shortcut W to select the desired area in the image. And open this option, then open Hue, Saturation, and then select Master option, and then preset Cyanotype. Select Saturation Color at 100%, and then Lightness 12. And finally, car color change is done. I hope my video has been helpful to you. Please like and subscribing to my channel.